Hi children, today you are going to learn revision 3-letter words. What you are going to learn? Your revision 3-letter words. See, in the last previous video what we have done, we have took the stickers. No, see here I have pasted here. See here? Yes, no. Now we will read, okay? See, I am Jew, I am 6. I am Jew, I am 6. I am in my big bed. I am in my big bed. I see mom as a tub. I see mom as a tub. The tub is new. The tub is new. I run to see the tub. I run to see the tub. The tub has a pup. The tub has a pup and a bug. And a bug. The tub has a dog, a pup and a bug. The tub has a pup and a bug. I hug my mom in joy. I hug my mom in joy. I put the bug on a rug. I put the bug on the rug. The bug ran and hid by the mat. The bug ran and hid by the mat. I now run with my pup and bug. I now run with my pup and bug. It is fun to run in the sun. It is fun to run in the sun. Now children, now we'll see second activity. Paste two pictures that rhyme with the given words. What they have given here, we should paste the two pictures that will rhyme with the given words. Okay, see here. Hot, pot, cot. Hot, pot, cot. Pip, lip, zip. Lip, zip. Men, 10, hen. Men, 10, hen. Men, 10, hen. Sun, bun, gun. Sun, bun, gun. Dam, jam, ram. Dam, jam, ram. See, hot, pot, cot. Hot, pot, cot. Pip, lip, zip. Pip, lip, zip. Men, 10, hen. Men, 10, hen. Sun, bun, gun. Sun, bun, gun. Dam, jam, ram. Dam, jam, ram. See what we should do now here? We should paste the pictures, okay? Yes, see children, here they have given here the sticker. See, P-O-T pot, P-O-T pot, C-O-T cot, C-O-T cot, B-U-N bun, B-U-N bun, G-U-N gun, G-U-N gun, L-I-P lip, L-I-P lip, Z-I-P zip, Z-I-P zip, J-A-M jam, J-A-M jam, R-A-M ram, R-A-M ram, T-E-N 10, T-E-N 10, H-E-N hen, H-E-N hen. Okay, now we'll paste this, okay? Now see children here, hot, pot, cot. P-O-T pot, C-O-T cot. Pip, lip, zip. Pip, lip, zip. L-I-P lip, Z-I-P zip. M-E-N men, 10 hen. Men, 10 hen. T-E-N 10, H-E-N hen. Sun, bun, gun. Bun, gun. B-U-N bun, G-U-N gun. S-U-N sun, B-U-N bun, G-U-N gun. Dam, jam, ram. Dam, jam, ram. J-A-M jam, D-R-A-M ram. Okay. Now next we'll see this activity. See here. Fill in the missing small letters in the boxes starting from C. See what they have given children here. We should fill the missing letters. That what it will start from letter C. Okay. Now see here. C, D. Small E. Okay. F. Small G. Small H. Small I. Small J. Small K. Small L. Small M. N. O. P. Small q. Small r. Yes. Small t. Small u. Small v. Small w. Small x. Small y. Small z. Here C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Now we'll see match the rhyming words. What they have given here, we should match the rhyming words. Okay. See. TIP, tip. LED, led. LET, let. HOG, hog. MAY, may. FUN, fun. TED, ted. NET, net. PIP, pip. SUN, sun. FOG, fog. DAY, day. Now what we should do? We shall match the rhyming words. Okay. TIP, tip. See here it is ends with IP. Now here we will see where it ends with IP. It ends with ED. It ends with ET. Yes, it ends with IP. See TIP, tip. PIP, pip are rhyming. We are going to match it. Okay. Next LED, led. LED, led. Now it ends with ED. Now we will see which word which ends with ED. Yes, here only it ends with ED. TED, ted. This is also rhyming word. See LED, led. TED, ted. Next LET, let. ET, the word which ends with ET. No, here also we'll see which is the letter words which ends with ET. So yes, LET, let. NET, net. This is the rhyming word. Okay. Next we'll see HOG, hog. HOG, hog. Now let us see which are the words which ends with OG. Okay. SUN, sun. No. FOG, fog. Yes. HOG, hog. FOG, fog. These two are rhyming. Okay. MAY, me. MAY, me. See the word which ends with AY. No. Now we'll see SUN, sun. No, it ends with UN. Next this we have already done. So DAY, day. Yes, MAY, may. DAY, day. Okay. Next FUN, fun. SUN, sun. FUN, fun. SUN, sun. These two are rhyming words. See, we'll see TIP, tip. PIP, pip. LED, led. TED, ted. LET, let. NET, net. HOG, hog. FOG, fog. MAY, may. DAY, day. FUN, fun. SUN, sun. Okay. Now we'll see activity 3. Circle the odd word in each cloud. What we should do? We should circle the odd word in these clouds. Okay. See here. CAP, cap. MAP, map. TAP, tap. GAP, gap. PEN, pen. Now which one is the odd one, children? Here see CAP, cap. It ends with AP. MAP, map. It also ends with AP. TAP, tap. This also ends with AP. GAP, gap. This also ends with AP. Now PEN, pen. It will not end with AP. No. So this is the wrong one. We shall circle it. Okay. Next we'll see DEN, den. MEN, men. BAG, bag. TEN, ten. HEN, hen. DEN, den. MEN, men. BAG, bag. TEN, ten. HEN, hen. Now which one is the wrong one, children? Here it is DEN, den, which ends with EN. MEN, men, which ends with EN. BAG, bag. No, it will ends with AG. TEN, ten. Yes, it also ends with EN. HEN, hen. It's also ends with en. Now BAG, bag is the wrong one. Okay, we'll circle it. Now BIG, big. POT, pot. PIG, pig. FIG, fig. WIG, wig. BIG, big. POT, pot. PIG, pig. FIG, fig. WIG, wig. Now this word which ends with IG, this will ends with OT, this it ends with IG, this it will ends with IG, and this also will end with IG. Now which is the wrong one, children? Here it is POT, pot. Okay, now next we'll see BIN, bin. PIN, pin. TIN, tin. WIN, win. SUN, sun. See, BIN, bin. PIN, pin. TIN, tin. WIN, win. SUN, sun. Now we'll see BIN, bin, which ends with IN. PIN, which ends with IN. TIN, which ends with IN. WIN, which ends with IN. SUN, which ends with UN. So it is the wrong one. We shall circle it. Okay. Now next we'll see LOG, log. HOG, hog. DOG, dog. PIP, pip. JOG, jog. See, LOG, log. That ends with OG. HOG, hog. The words with ends with OG. DOG, dog. It ends with OG. PIP, pip. No, it will not ends with OG. JOG, jog, which ends with OG. Yes, PIP, pip. Okay. Now next we'll see BAT, bat. MUG, mug. RUG, rug. BUG, bug. JUG, jug. See, BAT, bat. MUG, mug. RUG, rug. BUG, bug. JUG, jug. See, it ends with AT. It ends with UG. It ends with UG. It ends with UG. It is also which ends with UG. So BAT, bat is the odd one. Okay. Now we'll see once again. Okay. See, CAP, cap. MAP, map. TAP, tap. GAP, gap. PEN, pen is the odd one. Okay. DEN, den. MEN, men. BAG, bag. TEN, ten. HEN, hen. BAG, bag is the odd one. Okay. BIG, big. POT, pot. PIG, pig. FIG, fig. WIG, wig. POT, pot is the odd one. Okay. BIN, bin. PIN, pin. FIN, fin. WIN, win. SUN, sun. SUN, sun is the odd one. Okay. LOG, log. HOG, hog. DOG, dog. PIP, pip. JOG, jog. Here PIP, pip is the odd one. Okay. BAT, bat. MUG, mug. RUG, rug. BUG, bug. JUG, jug. Here BAT, bat is the odd one. Okay.